Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Installing Python libraries from source can be necessary when a library isn't available via package managers like pip or when you need a specific version that isn't provided through the package manager. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on installing a Python library from its source. Find the library's source code. Visit the library's official repository or website, example GitHub, to locate the source code. Look for a clone or download button to get the source code. For instance, let's consider a library named example_library hosted on GitHub. Clone the repository. Use Git to clone the repository to your local machine. Check for installation instructions. Many libraries have an install or README file with installation instructions. Review it for any specific steps required. Install using Setup.py. Most Python libraries provide a Setup.py file that can be used to install the library. Execute the following command. This command will compile and install the library on your system. Launch Python. Open a Python interpreter or create a Python script to verify if the library was successfully installed. Check version, if applicable. Some libraries might have a version attribute you can check. Dependencies. Ensure you've installed any dependencies required by the library. The library's documentation usually lists these dependencies. Virtual environments. Consider using virtual environments, virtualenv or venv, to isolate installations and prevent conflicts with system-wide Python packages. Upgrade and uninstall. To upgrade the library later, rerun the installation steps with the updated source code. For uninstallation, use pip uninstall example_library, replace example_library with the actual library name. Let's summarize the installation steps for an imaginary library named example_library. Remember, the exact commands and steps might vary depending on the library's structure and requirements, so always refer to the library's documentation for specific instructions. Would you like an example with a specific library's source code installation? ChatGPT.